Engagement is a critical function to any organization. The function of engaging employees has positive effects on the business, and organizational effectiveness is often determined by employee engagement. Organizations that actively engage employees see lower turnover, increased customer satisfaction, increased productivity, and an increase in the employee experience. This presentation will discuss the ways that organizations engage employees and the benefits of an effective culture and the employee engagement. Organizations are creating and executing strategies to increase employee engagement and deliver long-term sustainability to the organization. Employees are engaged through different vehicles. Some ways in which employees are engaged is through a common purpose or vision. Many organizations accomplish this through a mission or a vision statement. The purpose of a mission or vision statement is that it is scalable across a large organization and gives employees the ability to make decisions that further the organization's purpose. Some organizations do not use a mission or a vision statement. These organizations need to have a set of values that guide the organization and employees in decision-making that is within the company's principles. Employees that are given the power to make decisions for the organization that affects the experience of another employee or a customer have a deeper connection to the organization and to the work that that employee performs. Everything that an organization does should be considered a form of communication to the stakeholders of that organization. The manner in which an organization communicates to its stakeholders has an immense impact on the experience of the employee and the engagement of that employee. There is not a single approach to employee engagement, and many organizations have vast human resource departments to affect the company's most valuable resource, its people. Employees need to be supported in efforts they make, as well as be heard to solve problems that affect everyday job performance. Organizations seek out feedback from employees in forms of performance appraisals and employee feedback surveys. These feedback systems give the organizations a means to emphasize the employee experience and drive employee engagement. Employees that are engaged within an organization are more likely to remain loyal to the organization, and that organization is more likely to succeed when faced with adversity in the business. Without adversity, this organization would see an increase in productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction. Another benefit to employee engagement is lower turnover and increased job satisfaction. Employees coming into an organization need to be engaged immediately. This can be done through investing in the employee's onboarding program. Successful organizations have a well-planned onboarding process that may include computer-aided trainings, job shadowing, and culture integration. The average time spent training an employee to proficiency is 3 months, during which time workloads increase for other employees, and this runs the potential of decreasing those employees' job satisfaction. Decreasing overall turnover, though, will lead to long-term sustainability and profitability. Organizations with longer tenured employees will have a greater knowledge base, and these long-tenured employees will have the ability to integrate new employees into the culture of the organization in a timely manner. An organization's culture has a significant impact on how the organization interacts with its stakeholders. Employees create the culture of the organization through interactions with one another and the patrons that frequent that establishment. Organizations that promote from within understand the importance of their culture within their organization and want to perpetuate that culture going forward. An organization has the ability to affect its culture through the hiring process, the onboarding process, and the promotion process. Organizational effectiveness measures the company's ability to grow and achieve results, and the culture of that organization will affect the effectiveness of itself. Organizational effectiveness measures many long-term KPIs, including productivity, turnover, customer satisfaction, and profitability. Organizations that empower and engage employees have the ability to directly influence the long-term sustainability of itself. Organizations that fail to engage its employees are doomed to failure. The investment in engaging employees is an investment that will lead to financial success.